The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety performed this crash test that demonstrates the importance of using a seatbelt. The test was done at 35 miles per hour and with unbelted second row occupant. To earn a good rating in the seatbelt reminder evaluation from IIHS, belt reminders need to cover the back seat as well as the front. As the driver, you need to be sure your rear passengers are belted for their sake and yours. Frontal crash with unrestrained children. Please always use a seatbelt and insist that your passengers do as well.